We're at the Cottage Grove Airfield, and this is the end of June, and it's a vintage airplane automobile fly-in. Looking inside, we see the spark arrestor and the foot pedals for forward and reverse. It's a 1931 plane. This is at Jim Wright Field, and it's the museum part of the airfield. Here's a 1937. Radio engine without any shroud around the cylinder heads. Here we have a very unique 1940. And in back of that plane is a old motorcycle plus a vintage car that we'll go take a look at. As the plate indicates, it's a 1917. Radiator cap says it is a Ford. Here we have a 1946 Fairchild. Here, of course, is a Chev. I think it's a 1956. This, of course, is an absolute classic. I don't know if this is a Nomad or not, but anyone familiar with Tim Allen's Home Improvement will remember he dropped an I-beam on Jill's Nomad. Marcus tells me this is a 39. He had a coupe, the same vintage, only a coupe, and it's a straight 6. Here's another Chevy.
A lot of the carbon fiber, like the spinner for instance, is unique because there's no fasteners on it, as you see. Very aerodynamic. Wingtips are all carbon fibers. This is just the guy that did this airplane was a very meticulous person, and he just did a beautiful job. The paint is absolutely flawless. It's a Vans RV6. It's 360 cubic inches, 180 horsepower, constant speed prop. Velocity not to exceed is what, 210 knots. This particular airplane was an Oshkosh winner at 2002. It's all leather inside. It's got fire system. That airplane there was the next one over is a 5/8 scale, all wood, built off of Plans Bucher. It's a German airplane that was a trainer, but that's a 5/8 scale, so you can see it's only a single cockpit instead of twin cockpits.
You know, I know the story of Jim Wright and crashing in the Yellowstone, but can you guys fill that in for the camera?
I don't really know a lot.
Know the particulars either.
No.
Well, the story is that he built the plane off Howard Hughes' original plans.
Correct.
And he built that all here in Cottage Grove at in his hangar and machine shop, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. He flew that plane back to Oshkosh.
Oshkosh, yeah.
And for what purpose? To race it?
No, to show it.
To show it.
Yeah.
And he was on his way home
Right.
when he went down
Yeah.
in the Yellowstone.
The story is the counterbalance on the prop that he built failed and flew off and threw the engine into a horrible vibration and like shook the engine off the airplane,
Yeah,
which it would.
Corkscrew.
So he probably shut it down as fast as he could and then tried to land in the field, but there were people in the field and they took the Rocky River.
Yeah.
And the Rocks won.
Yeah.
He didn't.
As the license plate holder says, 1930 Model A. Of course, that has to be a Ford.
Go on. Isn't that a blast?
Whatever. This summer I worked this company for service party.
And he said the area. Okay.
They retract.
So you have them up right now.
Yeah.
All right.
You don't want to land it.
Right.
This, of course, is a float plane. It's got land wheels under it right now.
In town. What a horse. Really?
These were sold a great deal by Western Auto.